How you can fix your Supercell ID verification code not received. Now, if you're facing this problem, there can be many reasons, and I'll tell you guys how to fix that. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. So the first thing is you might want to check your spam folders. Now go to your email. Now if you go to your email and if you don't have your verification code, you might want to go to your spam folders. So just check your spam folders and see if you have the verification code. If not, what you'll need to do is you might want to go to your settings. So after you're on your settings, go to general, and under general go to iPhone storage. Now under there you'll need to search for the app. Now in my case it's Brawl Stars, so I'll just search for Brawl Stars, and right here I'll just offload the app, and after I offload the app I will reinstall it, and after doing that I will try to log into my Supercell ID again, and even after doing that it does not work and I don't receive the verification code. It might be because there is a problem with the Supercell server and they might not be able to fix it currently. So just wait for a few minutes or a few hours and try it again, and your problem should get fixed and you should get your verification code. So it's that simple, guys. That is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.